Hello friends, today we are going to print diamond star pattern. So how to print this, and it is very easy to print. So I will guide you step by step how to print. You can print diamond star pattern. So I am taking n as an input from a user. Just I am taking 5, so that I am printing 5 rows for a diamond star pattern. So first of all, what things should I take in this pattern? Is first of all, understand this pattern, what this pattern would say. First, in this pattern it will obviously just start with every our pyramid pattern, or ending with a reverse inverted pyramid pattern. But in this we are printing that if the star will becomes the half of the this row, so after that it will print in reverse order. So how would we do? First of all, I take int n as a user from input from user. After that I initialize the value of spaces always should be just n minus 1. If there is 5, then 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, so there is 4 spaces, then 2 spaces, 3 spaces. Okay, so spaces should be n minus 1. Just I'm doing this. And int initially I declare star as 1. Okay, it is my initial value which I declare on the topmost. Okay, after that we are starting printing. For first of all, we are printing outer loop. Int I equals to start from 1, I less than equals to n, then I plus plus. It is for our outer loop, as always I will say you. After that, what would I print? We are printing our spaces. For spaces int j1, how much it will go? J less than equals to space. After that j plus plus. So here should we print our spaces. Dot print, it is our spaces. Okay, after that we close that. After that we are starting to print our stars. Okay, int k equals to 1, k less than equals to what? Star, k plus plus. Okay, here's we are printing stars. If you don't know, first of all go and watch my previous video from starting, so you can better understand this pattern. Okay, I will explain in previous parts. Okay, we are printing stars, so we have closed it. Now onwards, the most important looping is started. If the space is greater than I, if the space is greater than I, then what can we do? Then space is equals to space minus 1. Okay, if my 1, so space minus 1 minus 1, so 5 minus 2 is 3. There is 3 spaces, then 2, then 1. Okay, and star is equals to star plus 2, because every time star will increases by 2. Just for 1, then 1 plus 2, 3, then 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so that's how we are printing stars. After that, if space is less than I, then what happens? We are increasing the space but decreasing the stars. Okay, space equals to space plus 1, and we are decreasing the star. Okay, star equals to star minus 2. So it is the if loop. After that we print system, we are printing line break dot out dot print ln, then we close the loop. So here's the here's the program through which we are printing our pyramid star pattern. So now I'm going to dry run my code. Okay, how this code will run. Okay, this star will run. Okay, for first initially for row 1, for first row. Okay, for row 1, how much this space should be n minus 1. Okay, if for first row this space should be n minus 1 and star is 1. Okay, star is 1, so first it will print star 1 and space is n minus 1. So in this condition, if space is greater than I, though, then space should be space minus 1, space minus 1 minus 1, then space minus 2 equals to 3 spaces, then it will leave the space of 3 2, and so on. The if after that we are increasing the star by 2, 1 2 and 3, because here we are what we done, the star should be minus 2. Okay, star should be plus 2. In this, star should be plus 2 for first row. Okay, for first row star should be 1. After that, when loop is 2, then star will be plus 2. After that, star will again plus 2 for third row. Okay, now it will came in there, if star space is less than I, then space will be increasing. Okay, at that time space is decreasing just from 3 to 1 to 0, from 2 to 1 to 0. Okay, in that, but in this space will increase by 1. Okay, for first space will 1, then it will print 3 stars and minusing 2 stars. In above we are plus adding 2 star, but in this we are subtracting 2 stars. Okay, then for fourth row 2 star will be subtracting 2 stars, then it will become 3 and increasing 1 space, then it will become 1 space. Okay, after for last row it will print only 1 star. Okay, so here is the dry run of your code, and here is my whole code. So if you understand this video, please like my videos and support my channel by subscribing my channel. So thank you, and we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.